Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this firstly we have to open our settings app. Right here we have to scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option. And here are our sound settings that we can manage however we want to. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!